So first take the lower clamp to the extreme bottom so that we can have sufficient gap in between the compression plates. Secondly, remove the upper clamp. Then put any known weight on the lower clamp. So as the display is showing the exact value of the known weight, so that means the machine is calibrated. This is for verification of calibration. In case if the display is not showing the correct value of known weight, then for calibration follow these steps. So the first step, remove the weight, then press reset and memory together. So it will show LOC, the lock value is 127. Press P key and enter 127 as password. For shifting, make use of P key, and for increase and decrease use reset and memory key 127. Then again press reset and memory. So it will show ST1. For standard machine of edge crust tester, the value of ST1 would be 90.00 kilogram force. Then again press reset and memory together. So it will show cal. Put the known weight on the compression plate and enter the same value here with peak, memory and reset key. Then again press reset and memory together. So it will show FACT. So the FACT value will always be 001. Then again press reset and memory. So it will show .1. For standard machine of edge crust tester with 100 kilogram load cell capacity, the dot value will be second. Then again press reset and memory together. So it will show .2. This relates to the least count of the elongation or deflection. So this will be at the end. Then again press reset and memory. So it will show the same value of known weight. Then again reset and memory together again. Then again. So this is the same value. You can also verify the same. Remove the weight. Then the load indicator will read 0. Then press reset. Then again apply weight. Then it will show the same value of load.